Let me tell you a little secret. It always starts the same way. With a missed kick, a missed shot, with a fall, but with relentless attitude. Do you know what happens next? Shots become more accurate until you finally make it again and again. Turns, pure poetry. That's when you take off and race to the very top. And here's the secret. Every single champion was once a total beginner. So was he. So was she. But let me also tell you this. If you believe and keep going, there will always be people supporting you, no matter what.
Yeah!